Hi guys, I'll show you how to make gel lipstick.
Yeah!
First, you have to get lip gloss and lipsticks. So you can get any different kinds. First, let's go add the lip gloss. And first we have to open it. And all you have to do is to add it on your lips.
Yep.
First, you have to add the bottom. And time to put it on the up. Make sure we add a lot. So, a nice here today is cause let's go add a little bit more. It's cause we need a lot to put on.
That is a song. It's a song.
Yeah.
Until outside and see the song.
And when we are done with the lip gloss, we have to add this lipstick. It's very pink. We can add different colors of these. They're different.
Yeah.
Now we have to add lip. So all we have to do is to put a lot. So now we have to add it on the top.
Add it to the top.
So we have to add a little bit more.
Yep. A time for
And we are done. I'll see you.
We're gonna make this mix.
Lipstick gel.
This. I want a bit more. Good.
Are you done?
A little bit more.
Making gel lipstick.
I know. Now, this. Now we're done.